Most people don't know this, but Nano Banana Pro can be used for free, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to access it. First, go to uart.ai and create your account. Now tap Projects on the left side and create a new workflow. This will open a blank workspace. You'll see options like Image Loader, Image Models, Video Models, and more. Here, tap Image Models. A list of all image tools will open. You'll see Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro, both tools. Tap Nano Banana Pro. The node will appear inside your workspace. Here you can write your prompt, choose the size, and set your options. To use it for free, turn on free mode. It won't cost any credits. You'll just need to wait around 10 minutes.
What?
Now type anything you want. For example, I'll type woman, then press run, and that's it. Nano Banana Pro will generate your image for free. If you want tutorial for any AI model, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.